Are you working on web development assignments and looking for trending ideas? In this video, we'll explore how to develop dynamic web applications using PHP and some creative project ideas that can make your work stand out. PHP is one of the most popular server-side scripting languages used to build dynamic, database-driven websites. It powers everything from simple contact forms to large-scale platforms like WordPress and Facebook. Here are some trending PHP assignment ideas. Online food ordering system, where users can browse menus, place orders, and track delivery. Student management system, managing student records, grades, and attendance. E-commerce store, with product catalogs, shopping carts, and payment integration. Job portal website, connecting employers and job seekers. Online voting system, ensuring secure and fair digital voting. Each of these projects combines front-end design, PHP scripting, and MySQL databases to create real-world applications. They help you practice user authentication, CRUD operations, and database connectivity, which are key skills for web developers. So, if you want to impress with your next assignment, try one of these trending PHP ideas and showcase your creativity in web development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more project tutorials.